Tip number 3, always have a room to learn about each other and accept. Diba? Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na may malalaman ka sa partner mo is automatic, okay sa'yo yun.
When you get married, hindi ibig sabihin kilala mo na yung partner mo.
Lalo na dun sa mga nagpapakasal na hindi pa ganun katagal.
Even yung matagal na. When you get married, marami pang lalabas.
Hindi mo talaga masasabi, depende sa tao kung kailan lalabas yung mga traits na most probably pwedeng makakatulong, but most of the time, ang nagiging traits na lumalabas is yung hindi nyo nagugustuhan about each other.
And sometimes, ito based on my understanding, sa experience din natin, one way or another, our partner changes.
Yes! Yung mga reasons ng mga naghihiwalay na napagod na ako, yung mga ganong drama, diba?
Marriage is not for weak people.
Still a commitment.
Yeah, and for me, it's not for weak people.
You must be strong enough.
Yes, strong enough, you know, to face the challenges with your partner.
Again, this is what we believe, guys, based on our experience and what we can share to you para mas makatulong sa inyo. And don't get us wrong, we're not perfect, diba? And we fight a lot.
No one is
perfect.
Yeah.
That's it. So, see you on the next one.